As a successor to the widely adopted 31S Plus, the Fujikura 35S maintains the same high standards of performance, durability, and reliability while enhancing various aspects of the splicing experience. A significant innovation is the introduction of the industry-leading dual fiber prep system, which contributes to an impressive 30% reduction in overall splicing time, nearly halving the preparation time. Key technology driving this advancement include the SS05 dual fiber stripper, the addition of the AD16 adapter plate to the CT16 cleaver, and the redesigned sheet clamps, facilitating easy one-handed fiber loading and simultaneous placement of both fibers into the splicer. When you open the 35S case, you'll likely find a kit similar to mine, which features the splicer, the CT16 cleaver, the SS05 hand stripping tool. Additional accessories such as the splicer's charging cord, a USB cable, a set plate for use with fiber holders, splice-on connectors such as the AFL Fusion Connect are also included. The 35S comes with newly redesigned sheet clamps pre-installed, but it also provides SP04 set plates, 250 micron, and 900 micron fiber holders as alternatives if you choose to splice using fiber holders. The splicer can be set up to match a variety of work styles and workflows. Devoting time to the setup process will ensure that splicing remains the simple and quick procedure it should be. Following proper setup steps allows you to customize the splicer to align your preferred workflow. Setup begins when deciding whether to splice using sheet clamps or fiber holders.